Solutions to increase hot water pressure.
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing some solutions to increase hot water pressure. If you've been experiencing low water pressure in your home or you're just looking for ways to improve your hot water flow, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive in and explore some effective solutions.
Check the water pressure regulator.
The first solution we'll explore is checking the water pressure regulator. This device controls the overall water pressure in your home and can sometimes become faulty or require adjustment. Locate the water pressure regulator, which is typically near the main water supply line, and make sure it is set to an appropriate level. Consult the manufacturer's instructions or consider calling a professional plumber if you're unsure how to adjust it.
Clearing mineral buildup.
Mineral buildup, particularly in older pipes, can restrict the flow of hot water and result in decreased pressure. One way to address this issue is by flushing the hot water heater. Start by turning off the power supply to the heater and closing the water supply valve. Connect a hose to the drain valve, open it, and let the water flow out until it runs clear. This process helps remove sediment and mineral deposits that may have accumulated over time.
Inspect and clean aerators and showerheads.
A common culprit for low hot water pressure is clogged aerators and showerheads. These fixtures have small openings that can easily become obstructed by mineral deposits and debris. To solve this problem, remove the aerators and showerheads and soak them in a mixture of vinegar and water for a few hours. Afterward, use a brush or toothbrush to scrub away any remaining buildup. Rinse them thoroughly and reattach them to the faucets and shower.
Consider installing a pressure boosting system.
If you've tried the previous solutions and are still unsatisfied with the hot water pressure, you might want to consider installing a pressure boosting system. These systems are designed to increase water pressure throughout your home and can provide a significant improvement in hot water flow. Consult with a professional plumber to determine the best type of pressure boosting system for your specific needs. And there you have it, some effective solutions to increase hot water pressure. Remember, it's essential to check the water pressure regulator, clear mineral buildup, inspect and clean aerators and showerheads, and consider installing a pressure boosting system if necessary. By implementing these solutions, you'll be able to enjoy a stronger and more satisfying hot water flow in your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.